Hello, my dears. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is active voice and passive voice. Active voice means it tells us what a person or thing does. The subject performs the action on the object. Action means verb. The format is subject plus action plus object. Let us see some examples. Anna painted the house. Here, Anna is the subject, painted is the action, and house is the object. Another example. The teacher always answers the students' questions. Ali posted the video online. Now let us see what is a passive voice. It tells us what is done to someone or something. The subject is being acted upon. So the format will be object plus action plus subject. For example, the house was painted by Anna. House is the object. Painted is the action, that means verb. Anna is the subject. Another example. The students' questions are always answered by the teacher. The video was posted online by Ali. So, my dears, let us study in detail. Active voice, some examples are given. The boy watches the stars. My mom waters the flowers. Here, the subject is given first, then the verb and the object. So, more importance is given to subject. Subject is written first. Okay. In an active voice sentence, a subject does the action that affects an object. Okay, my dears. I think now you are clear with active voice. Now, let us discuss what is passive voice. Passive voice is formed by making the object of the sentence into the subject of the sentence. Look at these examples. The tiger bites the John. That is an active voice. When it is changed to passive voice, John is bitten by the tiger. Subject and object is changed. Okay. Now, let us see something more about active voice and passive voice. While changing subject, which is a pronoun, to object, these are the changes that will happen. One more thing you have to remember while converting the active voice into passive voice. There are 5 steps. The 5 steps are: first one, identify, which is the subject, object and verb. Second one, swap. Swap means you have to change the subject to object and object to subject. Third one, convert. You have to convert the verb into the V3 form. Fourth one, you have to add helping verb before main verb. And last one is add preposition by before S, that is subject. So the format will be object plus helping verb plus V3 plus by with the subject. Once again, let us discuss the 5 points. Identify the subject, the verb and object of the sentence. After that, you have to change the object and subject. Object place, you have to write the subject, and in the subject place, you have to write object. Then put suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb. We have studied that helping verbs. Which are the helping verbs? Is, are, was, were and am. So, according to the sentence, you have to add the helping verb. Then fourth one is change the verb into the past participle of the verb. As we know, every action or every verb is having 3 forms. For example, write, wrote, written. see, saw, seen. Drink, drank, drunk. Some of the examples are there. Okay, so you have to write the third form of the verb. Now fifth one is add the preposition by. Before the subject you have to add the preposition by. Then the sixth one we have already discussed in the second point. Now go through that example. Samir wrote a letter. Here Samir is subject, wrote is the verb and a letter is the object. While converting that to passive voice, a letter is written first, that is the object. Then was is the auxiliary verb. Then we have written the third form of write, that is written by Samir. My dears, here is the examples of active and passive voice with the main verb write. Go through that. Now, the 8 tenses are given here and the examples of active voice and passive voice also given in this table. What you have to remember is that while changing an active voice into passive voice, you have to first identify which tense is that. After that only you have to change that into passive voice. So go through these examples, that will be very helpful for you. So my dears, I think now you have got a small picture about active voice and passive voice. So once again go through these examples. Thank you.